Holy Child with Immaculate Conception, Port Antonio High, Edwin Allen, Hydel, St. Jago, Homewood, and the Convent of Mercy, Alpha. The record here, 1 minute 33.17 seconds. The defending champions, Hydel, for this contest. 1:36.26 to win last year. 49th Gibson McCook relays really hotting up here inside the National Stadium.
I'm looking at the Edwin Allen for this race, Spencer Darlington, and I don't see a team that can get close to them. They have Carol Etienne on the opening leg to Alex Henry, who ran a brilliant backstretch in the 4x1, the fastest girl in high school this year. The Trinidad and Tobago athlete, Carol Etienne, the Dominican athlete, Daniela Clark on third, and Renicia Edwards will be on the anchor leg for the Edwin Allen team. Just having a look there at Immaculate, they will go in lane number 2. Good team for them as well. Davine Dickinson, a Champs 400, 800 finalist. Casey and Sewell, who has come across from Wilma's girls. Malia Grant and Chevian Shim. She is the glue that keeps all Immaculate teams together.
Quite so, another school whose program is growing fast and furious, Immaculate Conception. Their head coach and the technical director, Franz Ford, doing a fabulous job up there along Constant Spring Road. 4x200 meters open high school girls. Again, the record, 1 minute 33.17. Edwin Allen, the favorites, but Immaculate, St. Jago, Homewood, all worthy contenders. Sent on the way now, the first time of asking. Clean start. Edwin Allen up there in the thick of things. So too St. Jago. Homewood Technical in there as well. Down the back stretch they go. St. Jago quite prominent. So too Homewood Technical. Edwin Allen. Then we see Convent of Mercy trying to stay with the thick of things. Second or the first handover has been made. And Convent of Mercy Alpha. Homewood Technical and the St. Jago look ominous now as they spring off the top bend and come down the stretch.
Importantly, Spencer, they run all the way in lanes, all 800 meters of this race.
Homewood Technical, St. Jago, Edwin Allen now takes up the ascendancy and will look to go about their business. Edwin Allen from Homewood Technical. On the outside of Homewood, we have got Convent of Mercy Alpha. They have gone ahead of the rest. They head down the back stretch now. They have got to get back to the Michael Dyke coach, Edwin Allen. They look ominous at the moment. Homewood Technical, very much still in the thick of things. Convent of Mercy Alpha trying to stay with the tempo as well. But Edwin Allen steps into another gear now. They put the hammer down and spring off the top bend. They look absolutely awesome as they come into the home stretch now. Edwin Allen, the school out of Frankfield in Clarendon. They look powerful in this 4x200 open for girls. The battle is on for the minor placings. Immaculate comes up into second. Homewood hanging on for third. It's Edwin Allen from Immaculate, from Homewood. 1 minute 34.86, the flash time officially. 1:34.88 for the winning team, Edwin Allen. Immaculate second, 1:37.07.
They put together all their stars, Spencer, and they produce a wonderful performance. Carol Etienne gave them a decent start. Alex Henry, the Trinidad and Tobago athlete, totally ripped the race apart. To that point, it looked close, but she just produced an outstanding second leg. Danelia Clark on third, brilliant as well. And Renicia Edwards, last year's Class 1 100 bronze medalist, finishing off for Edwin Allen. Outstanding performance. Very good run from the Immaculate team, anchored by Chevy and Shim to get silver, but no one got close to Edwin Allen and their Super 4x200 team.
Yes, that was a brilliant race. Cariel Etienne on the first leg for Edwin Allen, Davine Dickinson for Immaculate. And on the second leg, this is that first exchange here. Alpha leading at this point. And this is where Edwin Allen makes that move, that second leg, that powerful run from Alex Henry. There she goes in lane 4 of Edwin Allen in that blue top, powering into this second the last few meters of his second 200, handing off to Daniela Clark.
And it's almost as if she jumped the curve, Alex Henry, and then ripped down the home stretch.
I think that's how it looks like a jog, but it's just how comfortable she is sprinting.
Probably.
Daniela Clark here. She hands off to Renisa Edwards, the third fastest schoolgirl in Class 1 over 100 meters this season. Powering into the home straightaway for Edwin Allen.